Alright boys, so in the last lecture what we did was we inserted pictures in the mail merge. Today we're not doing much different from what I have taught you in the last lecture. Just one little detail, and that is today we will be in the Word document that we have to merge. We will be inserting a table and we will be inserting fields in that table. Okay, so what we will be doing is, again, just like I have told you, we will be making our own folder. So we'll go to new and then folder. I'll write my name as always, and then the date that I have today, 25-9-2020. Now in this, I will not make a data table today. Why? Because this time around I'm using the previous data table that I had. Remember, I had this data table. Let me open it for you, and then you can see. Remember, I made this data table. It only has 1 2 3 4 quantities. Never mind, we'll just keep it this way. So I'll just copy this data, right click, copy this data, and paste it in my today's date folder. So I have this data with me. Okay, I'll close it. Okay, you can see I have made a data now like this. Now what I'll do is I'll open a new Word document, and this time around, remember, we made a flyer for promotion or something of that sort, so I can go for center align, title. This time around I can say promotion, 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 and then over here I can start with increasing the font size. Please have, yeah, what we can write is following, sorry, following is the list of our products, or we can say promotion on following products. Please hurry, as we have promotion on our following products. Okay, whatever you like, I just can't think of much. So over here, beta ji, we will insert a table. Okay, now for data table, if you remember, we had product, quantity, price, and picture. So we had 4 columns, right? So यहाँ पर what we will do, we will insert table, और ये आपका name of product, quantity, price, and picture. And I just add one more little detail of adding the serial number of the product. So I am going for 5 rows and 2 columns. ठीक है? ये I can even increase the size, just like I told you. Over here I can write the product number. Why do I want product number? By the way, this symbol is made by pressing shift 3. Okay, shift and 3. Then I have product name, then I have product price, and then quantity, and then last but not the least, picture. Okay? Okay, now I know that in mailings I have to go to start mail merge, letters. You all know that when you have to select recipients and you have to use the existing list, if the data is starting from the very first line, only then these 2 Word files will be merged. Okay, so you need to make sure that your data file is starting from the very first line. So I'll go to select recipients and use existing list, and then I will go to desktop. In today's date folder I have data. I will open it. It will get connected. See, it's merged now. How do I check? Product name, price, quantity, and picture. All these things are here. So instead of product number, this I'm leaving blank for the time being. Product name, I click it over here, and then I go for insert field, product name. Then I go to price, insert price, quantity, and then picture. Chalo, let's see if the picture comes properly or not. Acha ji bache, either if I don't have in my data table, let me first make my show you my data table. in my data table you can see कि I did not go for any product number. जैसे ये 1 है, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So I haven't made any column for the product number. But fortunately in my own Word document I have certain options where I can put the product number according to the number of occurrence they have in the data table. जैसे Lay's is the first product in the data table, automatically its name will be 1. How? I will go to rules this time. Can you see these rules? We can add specific rules for our own convenience. And in this I have merge record number. So whatever number the data will have in the data table will display the record number over there. So I just select merge record number over here. Okay, now I will just highlight it beta for our own convenience, and this is the time when I will save it in my file as fields inserted on the desktop. Inserted, save it. Now I go to again mailings, finish and merge, edit individual documents, merge record all, and this is how you can see that I have inserted the product numbers, product number 1, product number 2, and see my pictures are all here in the table as well. So this is how at times we can make a very basic report card for you guys. Okay, so I can save it as final merge, final doc, final merge, whatever. So that was about it. I hope that you guys understand it and do practice it, boys, because practical implementation is necessary. Okay, Allah Hafiz.